1, 2, 3.
Hello, friends, subscribers, viewers. This is Divine Collections today, coming at you with another video. Hi, and I just wanted to come at you with a embroidery video, and I am embroidering a shirt for one of my children, and it says blessed and highly favored, and you can see the digitized design on the machine. So the technique I'm using is one that I saw on another person's channel. I'm going to look for it and link it in the description on how to position your clothes that you want to embroider, and it's really been helping me to kind of like center. And then I saw another video, because I had actually this tool, but I didn't know how to, like, I've seen it before, but I didn't know that it was there. And it's like how to and by the way, this is a Brother 800 PE 800, and like how to see exactly where the alignment of the design would be, and that really helped me in order to make sure that my design, you can see that like it is like there's like a little bit of space before the design start, and that's actually the way it's supposed to be. So you know, I'm just thankful for all these videos that are there to show us how to, you know, show us the way. So I just wanted to quickly show you guys, you know, what I'm doing with this. And of course, I'm using a cutaway stabilizer, you know, in the back of the shirt, you know, to keep everything stable, the stitches stable, and the needle and everything. So I just wanted to show you guys what I'm doing. And for Thanksgiving Day, I made a I have some pot holders that I did as a gift, embroidered and stuff, and I'm going to have that. I'm gonna have that for sale, and it was personalized. It was a personalized pot holder baking set that I embroidered. So and I will be selling those for $34.99, and those will be per request. So I'm gonna put my email in the description, so that you know, and you know, per request and everything, and then, you know, just the inquiry would be, or per inquiry, and the inquiry would just be you know, for that set, which will include, you know, just like maybe like a 2-word or maximum 3-word you know, like name, like you know, Stephanie's Kitchen, or, you know, Stephanie's Home, or something like that, like that I would put right in the middle, and then I would put on the pot holder, and you know, I have a little set and everything, and, you know, with a pan and a few things, and I would just, you know, put everything together and everything, and it could be a great gift for yourself or whoever, especially since Christmas is fast approaching. But it doesn't matter if it's just Christmas, it could be any time of the year. So I'm gonna have that available, you know, per request, so you know, per email request. So and that could probably also be shipped, but the $34.99 does not include the shipping fee, you know, but you know, that could be discussed, you know, like I said, per inquiry. So but so this is what I'm doing for the shirt. I already said the blessed and highly, and just the favorite is so I'm just continuing on that. And you know, it's Saturday, and just decided to go ahead and do that. Yeah. And I will include a picture of the set that I did, you know, wrapped and everything. I'll include it in the end of the video. Yeah, like I said earlier, embroidery is so, just watching it is so super duper satisfying. Super satisfying. You can see that it's following the line of the design. Exactly where we're at. So I will come back with a finished shirt, okay? And if you're new to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get alerts for all the videos that I post. Alright. Thank you. Bye. Here it is. Here's a shirt. Just have it pinned up on my mannequin. Blessed and highly favored. Thank you. Bye.